We all have those favorite foods that we always look forward to enjoying during the holidays. For me, that is anything apple. Apple crisp, apple pie, applesauce. Heck, I'll even take it in oatmeal. And so today we're going to make an apple crisp, but I'm actually going to put a healthy spin on it. This is a gluten-free and refined sugar-free crisp. I'm very excited to share with you guys. It is so good. I already called my sister and told her she needs to come pick up this crisp because I'm gonna eat it all. It is that good, and you're never gonna know that this is a healthier version of an apple crisp. So let's get started. To begin, we're going to need about 10 to 12 apples. I'm using a mix between Fuji and Granny Smith. To peel the apples, you could easily use an apple peeler, but I'm actually just going to be using an old school paring knife and doing it by hand. It's actually surprisingly fast and easy to peel apples by hand. To peel the apples, just slice the top and the bottom of the apple. Then, with the paring knife, remove the skin on the side of the apple. After you've removed all of the skin, slice the apple in half and then quarter the apple. Remove the core, and then you're just going to simply slice the apples as thin or as thick as you like. Do not worry about making the slices absolutely perfect. For me, I actually like some of the apple slices a little thicker than others. Place the apple slices in a large bowl and then continue peeling all of the apples until they are done. So to the apple slices, add a half a cup of coconut sugar, 3 tablespoons of tapioca flour, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. Use a spoon to help stir the apples so they become coated in the sugar and cinnamon, and then set the apples aside. So let's make our crumbled topping. In another bowl, add 1.5 cups of almond flour, 1 cup of rolled oats, 3/4 cups of coconut sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of tapioca flour, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can use a whisk or a fork to help mix all of the dry ingredients together. Then pour 1 cup of melted ghee over the dry ingredients. And this is where the fun part comes in. Use your fingers to help mix all of the ingredients together until it resembles coarse like sand. Grease a 13-inch baking dish by pouring 2 tablespoons of melted ghee, and then use a paper towel to help evenly spread that ghee. Then pour the apples right into the baking dish. And then we're going to add the crumble topping all over the apple filling. Place the apple crisp in a 375 preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes until golden brown. When I removed it from the oven, you can see the caramelization of the apples and the juices come together so beautifully in this dish. 1 bite of this apple crisp and your mind is going to be blown away with how delicious it is. It is seriously the absolute best. Just to make this even a little better, add a scoop of your favorite vanilla ice cream and enjoy this incredibly delicious, healthier version of an apple crisp. I just kept on eating more and more and I couldn't stop. It was so good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe. I'm making new recipes every week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.